So here we are, hanging out online, sharing photos and videos, liking, commenting, following people following us, just chilling with our friends. And then we notice that we're scoring points. We get these video pages for sharing YouTube videos and inviting friends to follow us. And as our friends sign up and their friends sign up and so on, we keep scoring more points. It's like the bigger the wave of people, the higher we score. Also, as our score is going up, we start advancing in status and earning Cybercoin. With Cybercoin, you can shop just about everywhere. And at the end of the week, if our Cybercoin reaches a certain amount, we have shopping money in our virtual bank. And that's great because each Cybercoin is worth $1 US in shopping value. Well, hey, I just noticed my score went way up. I better go see what's going on. Oh yeah, follow me on WaveScore. I just posted a hilarious photo of my crazy Uncle Dexter kissing Drew Barrymore last night.